In a fast-paced city, time is limited and essential. Wasting time on the go is not acceptable. A flexible and convenient luggage system will help you taking advantage of every precious moment, without having to rearrange your belongings on the go. With the Fidlock system, you can adapt your luggage to suit your different situations. Introducing AlphaPack. A state-of-the-art luggage system that takes your needs into account every moment of your journey. AlphaPack offers a variety of products. It includes backpack, crossbody bag and sling bag. Simply to offer a convenient and fast solution. For you who like to travel, no longer worry about insignificant things. AlphaPack.